Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of our brand new web development series, where we're going to build websites completely from scratch. If you've ever wanted to learn how websites actually work, how they go from a simple text file on your computer to something people can visit online, this is where it all starts. By the end of this series, you'll understand HTML, HTML5, CSS, and Bootstrap, and you'll be able to build professional websites right on your Windows computer. So let's get started. All right, so first, let's get everything we need ready. Go ahead and open your web browser and download Visual Studio Code. Just type in VS Code, download on Google, click the link from code.visualstudio.com and choose the version for Windows. I'll have the link in the description. Once you have VS Code, go ahead and open that up. As you can see here, it's a pretty empty screen. That's perfect. Now let's make our first project folder. On your desktop, right-click, New, Folder, and name it something memorable, I guess. For this, I'm just going to do my first website. Now, there's a few options you can do. What I like to do is just open this, open with code, and always trust. And another way you can do that is open folder and click my first website. And it'll be the same exact thing. Now, let's click File, New File, and we're going to name this index.html. And we can save it in there. All right, let's go ahead and close all this stuff. Perfect. All right, we're about to make history. Your first ever web page. In your index.html, type this line exactly as I do. Look at that. It's already got it rendered for us. The good thing about VS Code is it'll teach you along the way. And then let's add a title in there. My first website. Perfect. And then, under our header, let's add a new header. Perfect. Then let's add a paragraph. Perfect. Before we do any of that though, we've always got to start with the body. Make sure you always add your closing bracket in there. All right, so once you have that, let's go ahead and fix this. There we go. And one more. Perfect. Excellent. Once you've got that, go ahead and save the file or hit Control S. And now, right-click anywhere in the file. And open it. And we'll click Always. And as you can see here, first ever web page. And here we have the title, My First Website, the header, Hello World, and then the paragraph within the body within the header. This is my first ever web page. All right, so if you want to get real technical, I can break down exactly what's going on here. The first line here just tells the browser we're using modern HTML. The HTML wraps everything. Think of this as the container for your whole website. And then inside the header or the head section is where we'll put behind the scenes stuff like your title, metadata, and links to style sheets. Then your body is what visitors actually see. Tags like H1 and paragraph or P are how we create text and structure. So H1 means heading level 1 or header level 1. P, of course, means paragraph. Every tag has an opening and closing tag, except a few special ones we'll talk about later. That's it. Your first ever web page is live. In the next episode, we're going to start organizing content, adding images, lists, and links to build a real homepage layout. Then we'll move into HTML5 elements like header, nav, and section before jumping into CSS and Bootstrap to make it actually look good. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss episode 2, because we're going to make this page look a whole lot better. I'm Val, and this is your Building the Web Page from Scratch. See you in the next one.